Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 2022 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll until you will find sound and vibration section. Here we have to scroll down again to find the, let's say, the ringtone section, and here we can change the ringtone for two different SIM cards, which simply means that you can divide the ringtones. You can set totally different ones for the first and the second SIM card. So let me show you how to do it using, for example, the first slot. Just tap on this option, and as you can see, we've been, let's say, transferred. We've got this pop-up view of the defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, at the very top we've got the option None, and it simply means that after picking it, your device will not use the sound to notify you about the incoming call. Or here we've got the option, on the other hand, we've got Add Ringtone, so after tapping on it we will be transferred to the to our own files. So if you will have any, for example, downloaded, they will appear right here, of course they are, if they are compatible, and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back to the defaultly installed ones, and basically if you'd like to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and let me volume it down. So basically this is how to listen all of the ringtones. And if you like particular ringtone, so for example, let's pretend that I like this simple one and I want to set it, just make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see right now it is notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. So basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Motorola Razr 2022. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.